Pineleaf Estate is somewhere here. Yeah, this is Pineleaf Estate. There. We have a massive acres of land here that we are selling just 8 million naira. You know, for now, in some few days' time, they are the one to 25 million. Anambra Airport. What's the name of this airport? Chinua Achebe Airport. Ebe a ka anyị na-aga kịta. Anyị na-achọ ka anyị gosi ụmụ Igbo na ala Igbo ahụ a na-agbara ọsọ na enwere some basic amenities and everything. That is a lie. We are going to show you that ala Igbo is viable for every business. Ala Igbo is viable for every ụmụ Igbo to come home. You understand? Why we are doing this is for the Akurulo initiative to spread and sing. You understand? So if I'm going to Chinua Achebe International Airport, Anambra State, Anambra, very beautiful place, very beautiful place. And in order to put it, Akmezigi Estate, Pineleaf, phase 3, you know, so that you know that we are here for business. We mean what we say. We don't just say you have to say 2 minutes to airport. I think car within 2 minutes to airport. Car was just some few seconds to airport. So a nice destination, nice investment destination. Come with me. Only yeah, you know, this is what it is. Very beautiful, very beautiful. I'm happy, I'm proud of Ali, I'm proud of Anambra State. Oh man, the adopted son of Anambra. An adopted son of Anambra. You understand? Because Anambra has really opened me a lot. Anambra, through good people, name it as an Anambra State. You know, they've really shown me. Now, Pineleaf Estate is somewhere here. Yeah, this is Pineleaf Estate there. We have a massive acres of land here that we are selling just 8 million naira. You know, for now, in some few days' time, they are the one to 25 million. So that's for you to know. Now we are entering inside the airport. Yeah, 8 million. Okay, I'm going to give it back. Okay, 25 million is here. Then in car back 25 and car I do 50. I just somewhere there.
Now proper time you have 8 million. Car would
25 million.
It's very close to the airport.
Yeah, okay, show them.
Without problem. Land without police case. Land without court case. We the deliver will be original. Pineleaf Estate. Land banking is a must. 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 You want a good land? Pineleaf go run up for you. You want a genuine land? Pineleaf go run up for you. You want a double land? Pineleaf go run up for you. Now without problem, Pineleaf go run up for you. Now who be so?
Yes, man, the week
no dey waste time. Look for Pineleaf. Brother, no dey die. Look for Pineleaf. For better land.